You sit down, ask the AI for a lesson plan, and get a generic output that completely ignores your textbook, your syllabus, and the specific topics you emphasize in week 4. So you spend the next hour cross-referencing and rewriting everything it just made. The solution is a process called grounding. By feeding the AI your exact course documents, you lock its focus, forcing it to generate a tightly structured 45-minute lesson plan based entirely on your materials. To do this, you need to gather 3 complementary files: your course syllabus, a core textbook chapter, and your past lecture notes. By combining these files, the AI stops guessing. Instead of spending 90 minutes prepping from scratch, you will have a complete, accurate plan in about 20. This diagram maps out the 6-step grounding pipeline we will use. We move from uploading our raw sources on the left to exporting a finalized classroom-ready lesson plan on the right. Step 1 is upload. Take those 3 files, your syllabus, textbook chapter, and lecture notes, and drop them directly into your AI chat interface. Keep your uploads lean. Limit yourself to 3 to 5 core files. If you upload entire document folders or overlapping versions of the same chapter, you will exceed the AI's context window and confuse the retrieval system. Once uploaded, we hit Step 2, extract. The AI needs a moment to read your files, break the text into smaller semantic chunks, and build an index. Before moving on, verify the system processed your data. You want to see a confirmation message listing your page counts and core topics. Curating your uploads and verifying extraction gives the AI a clean, authoritative knowledge base. Now we're at Step 3, prompt. If you ask the AI to simply make a lesson plan, it might still guess. Your instructions must explicitly bind the AI to the files. We use a voice and structure template to set strict boundaries. Under source material, include this exact instruction. Use only this material as your source. Do not fabricate. Next, dictate the output structure. Ask for a 45-minute outline broken into precise 5-minute blocks. With the constraints locked in, we move to Step 4, generate. Submit the prompt and let the AI process the instructions against your uploaded files. The resulting table populates with precise timings, specific teaching activities, and direct page references back to your textbook and notes. By establishing rigid structural constraints, the AI abandons its default formatting and builds exactly what you need for your classroom. Step 5 is review. You never take AI output straight to the podium. You must audit the draft against your source documents. Scan the generated table carefully. You are specifically looking for factual inaccuracies, structural misalignments, or citations that don't actually exist in your uploads. For instance, the AI might propose a group activity based on worksheet page 25, but looking at your uploaded files, that worksheet isn't there. This is a hallucination. When an AI model detects a logical gap, like needing an activity for a 10-minute block, it will attempt to bridge that gap with plausible, fabricated details. That brings us to Step 6, finalize. Simply delete the hallucinated worksheet reference. Replace it with your own expertise. In this 5-minute block, you can manually type in a relevant clinical anecdote or a specific case study you know works well. Once the timeline is accurate, export the polished document to a Word or PDF file. Catching those hallucinations and injecting your own experience ensures the lesson maintains academic integrity while reflecting your specific teaching style. You now have a 45-minute lesson plan that is factually accurate, timed out perfectly, and ready to teach. Creating this level of detail from scratch normally takes up to 90 minutes. With your materials prepared, this entire workflow takes about 20. Since the AI is already grounded in your files, you can immediately ask it to draft a 5-question multiple-choice quiz or outline a presentation slide deck based on the exact same material. By controlling the source data and providing strict constraints, you turn the AI into a highly specialized, course-specific colleague.